Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are going to look how we can view the return reports on Tool4seller app. So for viewing the return reports we just need to open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we just need to go to the function section. We can just see in the bottom, we can just see the functions right here. So just go to the functions. We can see in the right side of the alert section, we can just see the functions right here. Just tap on the functions here. So when we reach here we can just see the business analytics section. Just tap on the more options on the business analytics right there. Just tap on the more right here. And in here we can just see the return reports right here. So if you have an account connection, you can just see the return reports right here. So this is where we can view the return reports on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.